Do subscribe to Ekeeda channel and press bell icon to get updates about latest engineering, HSC and IIT JEE main and advanced videos.
Students, let us solve next question. Question number 18, 2014 NEET physics paper. Hello students, let us solve the question number 18. A thermodynamic system undergoes क्यों हंसाता है? क्यों हंसा करता है? चलो फिर से लेता हूँ. ठीक है, आप हंसना मत. Question number 18. A thermodynamic system undergoes cyclic process A, B, C, D, A. You can see there is a thermodynamic system A, B, C, D, A. This is a total cyclic process. Okay. As shown in figure, so it is like A, B, C, D, A. A, B, C, D, A. It should be like that only actually. Okay, it should be like that because it should be A to B, then C, D, A. So again A, B, C, D, A, cyclic process. The work done by the system in the cycle is. So to find the work done. So basically we are interested in finding the net work done. The net work done during this process. You can see one thing that during the process, in a cyclic process, the work done is area under the curve. Area under the, suppose if I have a PV diagram like this and I have a cyclic process like this, then the area under the curve, enclosed curve, this is the area under the enclosed curve, and that gives me the work done for any cyclic process. For example, if I have a cyclic process like that, then this area, bounded area, that gives me the work done. So obviously in this situation I have this is the bounded path and this is also the bounded path. So I have these two areas, and suppose this area is A1 and this area is A2. So the sum of these two area I have to write A1 plus A2. But as you can see, the upper one, you can see here, the upper one, the BC part, you can see here, BC part here, it's something like that. So BC is something like this, and here is V naught, here is 2V naught, and this is the whole area under this curve. The total work done is this one, but we're interested only in the path that is enclosed path, that is this triangle. So this triangle is actually here because that will add and cancel if I totally find for each and everything. This is P naught, this is 2P naught, this is 3P naught, so it's equally divided. This length is equal. So this work done, here the total work done is here, this one, and this has to be positive because it is this is has to be negative because this is your compression. It's compressed, volume is compressed from 2V naught to V naught. This area is negative area. And how much is this area? Is area of the triangle, that is half base into height. I have this base, half of base is this one, that is this one, and that is this one, that is V naught. And height is how much? This one means P naught, and this is negative B naught, P naught by 2. This is the area for A1. This is the area for A1. This is the area for A1, I'll write this is negative area for A1. What about the area for A2? Area by A2 of this one, I have a situation like this. there is one like that, just below that, these two triangles are exactly equal because this height is h and this is also v. This is v naught, this is 2v naught, so the base is actually v naught, and this height is actually like that, it is from p naught to p naught, so this height is actually p naught. So area will be here, that is expands in this case. So this area is exactly same but in opposite sense. This is actually anti-clockwise, this is clockwise. This is actually this way, this is clockwise, and that area was anti-clockwise. So finally, because this one is lying above, so area will be negative, and this one is lying above and it is positive moving towards right, so area will be positive. So A2 area is positive, and that is half of base, that is V naught, the height, that is P naught. So the total area here is half P naught V naught. Work done is total area, that is A1 plus A2, but A1 is negative of half P naught V naught, and this is positive of half P naught V naught. This will cancel out and gives 0. The total work done is 0. So when total work done is 0, that is the area under this curve. Work done by the system in the cycle is 0 because these two areas cancel out. This is negative and this is positive, they will cancel out. So that is the answer to this question, that is option number 4 is correct to this question. Okay, thank you.